National Affairs. India's first seaplane service inaugurated by Prime Minister Modi. Prime Minister of India Shri Narendra Modi inaugurated country's first seaplane service between the Statue of Unity site at Kevadia Colony to the Sabarmati riverfront in Ahmedabad, to mark the 145th birth anniversary of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. The Prime Minister also inaugurated Ekta Mall, an emporium spread over 35,000 square feet, where handicrafts from all over the country will be up for sale. He also participated in the Rashtriya Ekta Divas Parade. Lok Sabha Speaker Om Birla to lead 206th session of Governing Council of the Parliamentary Union. Indian parliamentary delegation led by Lok Sabha Speaker Om Birla on the 206th session of Governing Council of the Parliamentary Union, which will be held on 1st to the 4th of November 2020. The IPU is to be held virtually through video conferencing. The Inter-Parliamentary Union is an international organization of national parliaments. Its primary purpose is to promote democratic governance, accountability, and cooperation among its members. Union Cabinet approved 10,211 crore rupees project to improve dams in India under Dam Rehabilitation and Improvement Project. Union Cabinet of India has approved 10,211 crore rupees under Dam Rehabilitation and Improvement Project DRIP Phase 2 and Phase 3. It will be implemented over a period of 10 years. The project will have the financial assistance of the World Bank and Asian Infrastructure Investment Bank. The scheme conceived rehabilitation of 736 existing dams across India in 2 phases, each of 6 years duration, with 2 years overlapping from April 2021 to March 2031. Malabar Exercise 2020 India, Japan, US and Australia to be participated. Malabar Exercise is a quadrilateral naval exercise involving the United States, Japan, Australia, and India as permanent partners. This year the exercise is to be held in Bay of Bengal between November 3, 2020 and November 6, 2020. The navies of India, Japan, US and Australia are to participate in the exercise. The second phase of the exercise is to be held between November 17, 2020 and November 20, 2020. Originally this exercise began in 1992 as a bilateral exercise between India and the United States. World Cities Day is celebrated on the 31st of October. Every year World Cities Day is celebrated on the 31st of October. The general theme of World Cities Day is Better City, Better Life. This day was first celebrated on the 31st of October 2014 in Shanghai, China. The main objective of this day is to promote the international community's interest in global urbanization, cooperation among countries. World Cities Day 2020 theme is Valuing Our Communities and Cities. National Unity Day is observed on the 31st of October to remember the birth anniversary of the Iron Man of India, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, India. Celebrated National Unity Day is observed on the 31st of October. The day first celebrated on 2014. He is the first Home Minister and Deputy Prime Minister of India. He is often referred to as the father of the Indian Constitution and was a key member of the Constituent Assembly. Former Gujarat Chief Minister Keshubhai Patel Dies. Ex-Chief Minister of Gujarat, Keshubhai Patel passed away. Keshubhai Patel was Gujarat Chief Minister in 1995 and again during 1998-2001 before Narendra Modi succeeded him as Gujarat Chief Minister.